work on this exercise, which is determine if a string entered by the user is a palindrome or not. A palindrome is a string that is the same from the left to the right and the right to the left. Assume all the entries are lowercase. So the implementation, we start. So we need to input a string, right? So I'm just gonna call this variable word. And then we are gonna show a message that says write a word, for example. And then we need to create a variable called front and one called end. So front, we initialize it to 0, and then one called end, and then we initialize this one to length of word -1. And then now we create the for loop, right? So for I in range of length of the word, then if we need to create a if statement inside, right? Because this for loop is gonna go from the first letter to the last letter, and then this if statement is gonna check if each letter. All right, so let's go now this. If word a position front, which is 0, right now is 0, is different a word in position and then print false and break. So the loop is finished. Else, if this is not true, then the loop is gonna come here, else. And what is gonna do? We are gonna increment the front. Front equal front plus 1. And the end is equal to the end -1. So now that we have checked if this is different or not, and then else increment front and decrement 1, so we put a condition here. If front is greater than end, then print true, and then finish the loop, right? So let's gonna see if this work. Write a word. It's gonna write true. Let's gonna write another word. False.